birthday, Prashant. Welcome to your 50s. Stay golden, my friend. This is for your birthday. Cheers.
Ra 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 la 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 hey 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 ra 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 On this special event, प्रशांत दा भाई के लिए एक 4 लाइनें एक कविता है. वो वाली कविता नहीं, ये रियल कविता है, अच्छी कविता है. तो कुछ सुना रहा हूँ. कुछ विजय डे के दिनों के कुछ बातें हैं, कुछ बातें पोस्ट विजय डे के भी हैं. सो प्लीज फॉर दा भाई. VGTI के दिनों में थी कुछ अजीब सी उलझन. VGTI के दिनों में थी कुछ अजीब सी उलझन. सॉम और टॉम ने कर दिया था दिमाग में बेहद कंफ्यूजन. सॉम और टॉम याद है ना? सॉम और टॉम ने कर दिया था दिमाग में बेहद कंफ्यूजन. लेकिन फिर, गौर फरमाइए, लेकिन फिर केरोसिन से लद 10 पैसे के पन्नों ने, 10 या 20 अब लगा लो हिसाब, केरोसिन से लद 10 पैसे के पन्नों ने बनाया एक अलग सा कनेक्शन. जेरोक्स ने बनाया एक अलग सा कनेक्शन. अगर प्रशांत दा भाई का साथ हो तो टॉम सॉम का क्या भींचो टेंशन. सही है ना? अगर प्रशांत दा भाई का साथ हो तो सॉम टॉम का क्या भींचो टेंशन. अब जगह से निकलने के बाद की बारी है. वक्त बीत गया, दिन गुजर गए. सारे दोस्त अपनी दुनियादारी में सिमट गए. थम गए मैसेजेस, थोड़ा सेंटी है. थम गए मैसेजेस, रुक गए कॉल. ज़रूरत थी हमें एक ज़बरदस्त प्रोफेशनल ग्रेड दा भाई फेविकॉल. रुक गए कॉल, ज़रूरत थी दा भाई फेविकॉल. वो कॉल करता रहा, रिश्ते बटोरता रहा. बन गए फिर से दोस्ती के अनेक मजबूत जोड़. अब साथ में कर रहे हैं व्हाट्सएप में बेंचो तोड़फोड़. दा भाई, thank you so much, yaar. Thank you so much for being a part of this group, for being a part of our lives. You are the फेविकॉल का मजबूत जोड़, कभी टूटेगा नहीं. And this is a special occasion for you and special occasion for all of us. Happy 50th. God bless you, my friend. And many more years for you, man. Happy 50th. See you, man.
Hi Prashant, wish you many happy returns of the day. I'm sure you're having a great time with your family and friends today, celebrating a big milestone. I've known you since engineering days, and I'll tell you one thing for sure, that a person with a big smile, a big heart, and always caring for others. You've been a very good friend of all of us. You have kept this group together, and you have made sure that we make this gatherings happen, which we have done the last few years. So again, have a wonderful time, a wonderful day. Take care of yourselves, and hope we meet soon. Okay, have a great day. Bye.
आप जैसा कोई मेरी जिंदगी में आए तो बात बन जाए, बात बन जाए। दाऊद, आप जैसा कोई मेरी जिंदगी में आए तो बात बन जाए, दाऊद बात बन जाए। बहार को चमन, दिल तो दिल, बदन को बदन, हर किसी को चाहिए तन का मिलन। ऐसा कोई आए, बहुत अच्छा है।
Hi Daud bhai, many happy returns of the day. Enjoy your 50th birthday.
Hi Prashant, wish you a very happy 50th birthday. Welcome to the Golden Gang. तुझं नाव जरी प्रशांत असलं तरी तू फार अशांत असायचं बरं कॉलेजमध्ये, कारण आमच्या सगळ्यांना नोट्स पुरवण्याची भयंकर मोठी जबाबदारी तुझ्या मोठ्या खांद्यांवर होती आणि तू खूप नेटाने पार पाडलीस. एनिवेज, नाव यू लुक मोर रिलॅक्स्ड and happier and healthier and fitter, and I wish you a very happy, prosperous and healthy life ahead. Happy birthday.
Hey Daud bhai, happy birthday boss, happy 50th. Calling here from Pune with my dad. Actually I'm here just walking with my dad. Adna,
Happy
Prashant
birthday, Prashant.
I just told him it's your 50th birthday, so he just wanted to wish you. Say hey boss, happy birthday, have a great time. I'll call you later. Cheers, bye.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
प्रशांत, वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. हॅव अ ग्रेट 50th बर्थडे.
दाऊद भाई, कैसा है भाई तू? So, wish you a very very happy 50th birthday. Heartiest congratulations on completing 50 years. I wish you loads of health, wealth, happiness and success on your 50th birthday. So stay strong, stay cheerful, take care of your family and enjoy a special day, buddy. Cheers.
Hey Prashant, many happy returns of the day. Congratulations on turning 50 and joining the 50s club. Just wanted to communicate to you the friendship that you bring to the table and keep us all together. I was talking to Kostub last night after 17 years, and the only person he seems to have been in touch with is you. And that kind of says the friendship and the warmth that you bring to the table to keep us together and to keep us engaged. I know there's one more bond amongst us, but you are the real bond who keeps us together. Wish you the very best for the next 50 years. Take care, my friend, and thank you for your friendship. Bye.
Hey Prashant, hey Daud bhai, happy birthday, happy 50th. Hope you have fun. And now for the Xerox. Hey Prashant, hey Daud bhai, happy birthday, happy 50th. Hope you have fun.
Happy birthday Prashant.
Wishing you a very, very, very happy 50th birthday. What a run it has been, from BJTI to when you guys visited New Jersey, stayed here, and then our visit to Dallas with you, Rahul, Bond, and the families. We wish you lots of great health, lots of love, and looking forward to celebrating your 50th in person. आप बुलाओ तो हम आ जाते हैं.
Hey Daud, wishing you a very happy birthday and may your head shine even brighter in the next decade. Okay? Have a great day. Bye.
Saramle, Daud Bhai, Da Bhai. What's in a name, as they say? And rightly so. It's the man behind the name that is more important. To one of the best individuals that I have met, Da Bhai, happy 50th birthday. Enjoy.
Hi Prashant, Da Bhai, many happy returns of the 50th birthday. This is a message from me to you, knowing you for the last 27 years. You are a great man, a lot of emotion, a lot of passion. We have seen you in your limelight when you were drunk and abusing the material management professor. उसका नाम नहीं याद आ रहा बेंचोत, लेकिन क्या यार, बहुत ही बढ़िया आदमी है तू प्रशांत. It is so amazing to have you as a friend in my life, and I wish that this 50th birthday brings you lots of happiness, lots of health, lots of prosperity. May you rock, brother. Take care.
Hi Daud, happy birthday and congratulations on completing 50. This is for you.
Wish you happy 50th birthday, Xeroxman. 50वा वाढदिवसाची हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. Stay fit, stay healthy, enjoy.
हैप्पी बर्थडे दाऊद, तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ ऐसा याराना. एंजॉय द डे.
Hey Da Bhai, happy 50th. Wishing you the best for the next half of your life. Have a great party for this. I'm sure you guys in Dallas will, but we'll hopefully we'll get together soon after the pandemic. Okay, take care. Bye.
Da Bhai. ये दोस्ती हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे.
इतना ही आता है मेरे को, और ज़्यादा आता नहीं है. So many happy returns of the day, buddy, on your 50th. Big milestone. Hope you will score the 100th as well. So here's a lot of wishes from me, Bhaumik, and also from Shweta and my kids. Enjoy the day to the fullest, buddy. We'll talk to you. Bye.
Daud bhai, a very, very happy 50th birthday. For all the years of friendship, here's a song from me dedicated only to you. तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ कहाँ ऐसा याराना याद करेगी दुनिया दाऊद का याराना मेरे दिल की ये दुआ है कभी दूर तू न जाए तेरे बिना हो जीना वो दिन कभी न आए यारा तेरी यारी को हमने तो खुदा माना
Daud, for you! Daud, this one's for you, man. This one's for you.
अर्ज है दाऊद भाई, जिंदगी एक किताब सी है, कोई लिख के चला गया, कोई पढ़ के चला गया। यहाँ तक तो ठीक था, पर कोई ऐसा जो आया, पूरी किताब ही जेरोक्स कर लिया। जुग जुग जियो दाऊद भाई, हैप्पी बर्थडे। Happy birthday, Daud, and enjoy second half of the century more than the first one. Happy birthday once again from DD.
Hi Prashant, based on public demand, सबने बोला कि एक पोएम तेरे लिए कंपोज करूं तेरे 50th बर्थडे के लिए, तो here goes, hope you like it. नाम तो है प्रशांत पर कोई पहचानता नहीं, कब हमारा दोस्त दा भाई बन गया कोई जानता नहीं। फोटो कॉपिंग का जेरोक्स से नाम का नाता है, पर जेरोक्स का नाम सुनते ही हमें एक दोस्त याद आता है। नाम तो है प्रशांत पर कोई पहचानता नहीं, कब हमारा दोस्त डा भाई बन गया कोई जानता नहीं। साला रंग में है सावला पर दिल का सफ़ेद, इसको नहीं आता कोई फरेब। बिछड़े दोस्तों को मिलाना कोई इससे सीखे, VJTI व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बनाना कोई इससे सीखे। सब दोस्तों की ये जान है, नाम तो है प्रशांत पर कोई पहचानता नहीं, कब हमारा दोस्त दा भाई बन गया कोई जानता नहीं। कभी थोड़ा इमोशनल हो, कभी थोड़ा अनजान है, दुनियादारी और फरेबी से हर वक्त परेशान है। दिल का सच्चा और दोस्तों पर मेहरबान है, नाम तो है प्रशांत पर कोई पहचानता नहीं, कब हमारा दोस्त दा भाई बन गया कोई जानता नहीं। अब इसको सब पहचानते हैं, नाम इसका सब जानते हैं। हमारा डा भाई अब प्रशांत है, IBM और सैप की दुनिया में इसी का नाम है। फोटोकॉपी का जेरोक्स से नाम का नाता है।
हाय प्रशांत, 25 साल हो गए मेरे दोस्त, तूने वो हमारे लिए हज़ारों लाखों जेरोक्सेस निकाले थे, एंड those kerosene based xeroxes must have faded away, but the memory of you carrying all those tons of kilos of xeroxes just to help your friends, and which is an inherent nature, still is fresh and clear in my memory. You wearing that blue jeans and that white shoes and carrying those heavy packs. Thank you so much for all the help and basically your attitude to kind of serve. And it's always great to meet you and wishing you a fantastic happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday, Da Bhai. Happy birthday.
Hey Prashant, wish you many happy birthday. God bless, lots of success. You rock, man. I mean, you always were a rock star in college, and you continue to do that. Love your passion, love your energy, and more importantly, love your dedication. Good luck and best wishes for all your success and future endeavors. Right? Take care.
Hey Da Bhai, wish you a very happy 50th birthday, my friend. Have a great time. Cheers.
अब भाई, हम सबके इंजीनियर बनने में तुमसे बड़ा हाथ और किसी का नहीं है। आज भी इतने सालों बाद आई एम श्योर सबके वीडियो में जेरोक्स का जिक्र तो डेफिनेटली होगा, विच इट सेल्फ टेल्स कि कितना इम्पोर्टेंट था ये हमारे लिए। हैव अ वेरी हैप्पी फैंटास्टिक 50th बस। आई एम श्योर आज भी तुम्हारे आसपास के लोगों के आगे बढ़ने में तुम उतना ही बड़ा हाथ पे प्ले करते रहोगे। कीप एट इट, ऑल द बेस्ट।
Hey Daud bhai, today is 18 November. Many happy returns of the day. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Many happy returns of the day, Prashant. Wish you a happy birthday and great life ahead. You are the pillar of our Make 92 batch. Wish you a happy birthday once again. Enjoy the moment.
Hi Dawood, many happy returns of the day. Welcome to Club 50 and wishing you another 50 years of good health, happiness, prosperity. You're rocking here. Enjoy your day.
Bye. Happy 50th. Have a blast. Your Xerox notes are the reason most of us cleared engineering. So thank you for that. Wishing you a very happy birthday again. Stay safe. Stay healthy.
Hi Daud bhai, alias Xerox King. Congratulations man on your golden jubilee birthday. Thanks a lot for making our lives easier at VZTI by your entrepreneurial and proactive skills of getting the Xeroxes to the class well ahead of time every time. Your SLA compliance was 100%. So thanks a lot and congratulations once again on your 50th birthday and have a great year ahead.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Daud bhai. Very happy birthday.
Hey Prashant, many happy returns of the day. Happy 50th birthday, my friend. I love you. You're my best friend. Thank you for being in my life. Thank you for making such amazing friendship memories between us. You know, I'm so happy I met you in VJTI and we became good friends. And then we have made some amazing memories in working in Mahindra's, then moving on to New Jersey, Chicago, and now here in Frisco. So I'm happy to have you be part of my life, and you have really taught me how to maintain friendship. And you've also taught me how to do that for not just for us, but also for our entire VJTI group. I know you know this, but you have been instrumental in bringing all of us VJTI friends together. You're like the chickened glue, the really chickened glue that brings us all together. And so we are such good friends amongst all our VJTI friends. So thank you for that. And you bring a lot of love to our friendship. So on this special occasion, a simple poem, not just about friendship, but about love. So please. तुम जो आए जिंदगी में बात बन गई, इश्क मजहब इश्क मेरी जात बन गई, सपने तेरी चाहतों के देखता हूँ अब कहीं, दिन है सोना और चांदी रात बन गई, तुम जो आए जिंदगी में बात बन गई. So cheers on your 50th birthday. Happy birthday, my friend. Stay smiling, stay happy, and I really appreciate everything you do for our friendship. And I'm looking forward to being your friend, your best friend for the rest of my life. Cheers. Have a wonderful day, wonderful year. Happy 50th birthday.